Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walgreens and I'm here kind of late because I'm still kind of sick, so I took a nap in the morning instead of doing anything. So there's the head. I have a spend $50, get $10 from Walgreens cash this week, and there's some really good hair care and body wash deals we're going to be going over in store. Plus, there's a printable breakdown just in case you want to take it to the store with you. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. This week's select Gillette Venus razors are on promotion for buy two, get $5 in register rewards. And the first product you're going to grab is this Gillette Venus razor. It's the 3-blade razor for $8.99. Next, you're going to come grab this Gillette Skin Guard razor. That is $9.99. Grabbing these two products, your total will be $18.98. For the Gillette razor, we do have a $3 digital coupon, and for the Venus razor, we have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $12.98 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, making them $7.98 for both. Dove Body Wash is on promotion for buy two, get $8 in register rewards. This deal is also on the Dove Men Plus Care, so if you want to do that, you can do that instead. Make sure you do them in a separate transaction if you do grab both, but grabbing two of the women and two of the men will be $16. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $11 at the register. We'll get the $8 register reward for buying two, making them $3 for both. The next deal is on the Degree Body Wash. They are on promotion for buy two, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. You'll grab two of them for a total of $10. We do have a $2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $8 at the register, but we'll give the $2 register reward for buying two, making them $6 for both. The last body wash deal is on Olay or Old Spice. They are on the same promotion, so once again, make sure you do them in a separate transaction if you grab these. But they're on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and they're $8 each. So grabbing 3 Olay or 3 Old Spice, your total will be $24. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $19 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying three, making them $14 for all three. This week's select hair care is on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $2 in register rewards. And one of the easiest ways to do this is grab the Head and Shoulders that we normally grab. They are $8.99, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off, your total will be $13.48. We have a $3 off of two digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $10.48 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying two, making them $8.48 for both. So a really good deal is on the Garnier Fructis. They're on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4.49 for the shampoo conditioners. So you'll grab two of them for $8.98. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $5.98 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $2.98 for both. Now, if you prefer, you can grab the Garnier Whole Lens. They are definitely not the best pricing for these, so I would definitely not recommend this deal, but if you do, you can save a little bit of money. The last hair care deal is on Dove. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're $5 each. Grab your favorite two. Now, I know for sure in the past the Bond Strength has worked for the $4 coupon. I don't know if it's still a problem, but grabbing two of them will be $10, and using that $4 coupon, you will pay $6 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $1 per bottle. This week's select Colgate products are on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards. Certain ones are $4 for the toothpaste, certain ones are $5 for the toothpaste, and you're going to look for the ones that are $5. No, you'll grab two of them for a total of $10. We have a $5 off of two digital coupon that only works on select $5 toothpaste, so you'll be left to pay $5 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $1 per both. Did you guys see that this sale did change for the medium gain products? They usually buy two, get the $5 register reward. This week they're the spend $20. This week, select Swiffer products are on sale for $9.99, including the Swiffer Wet Jet refills. or the Swiffer Power Mop refills are also $9.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $19.98. We have a $10 digital coupon, making them $9.98 for both. We have a really good deal on Febreze products this week, and this might be a great filler item if you need a cheaper item or 2 items to fill in to hit your spend booster if you're trying to hit it. But they are on sale for $3.49, so you're going to grab 2. You can mix and match, but between the Air Mist, the single ones, the Febreze fabrics, or the Febreze bathrooms, they're $3.49. Grab 2 of them for $6.98. We have a $3.50 digital coupon, making them $3.49 for both. So this week, the beginner coupon friendly deal, well, where you need no digital coupons, is the 4 for $16. So it's on select Mr. Clean and Febreze products, I believe, and Swiffer. So those 3. But you're going to look for the 4 for $16 tags on those, and you're going to mix and match, or you can grab 4 of the same item if you prefer. But the products that you can choose from are some of the Febreze bathroom, the twin packs, or the Febreze car twin pack. A few different of the Swiffer power mops or regular products are included. A few of the Mr. Clean magic erasers, the Swiffer wet mop refills, or the Mr. Clean clean freeze. But like I said, grab your 4 favorite items for just $16. A really good deal on the Downy Unstoppables. If you like them, you're going to look for this unlimited collection. This is the larger container, and it's on sale for $15.99, and there's a $6 digital coupon, making this $9.99. This week, select Bounty and Charmin Essentials are on promotion for buy 3, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4.99. So for your first product, you're going to grab 1 of the Charmin Essentials. You grab either the strong or the soft. For your second product, you're going to grab with the Bounty Essentials. You're going to look for the 4 equals 8 doubles. It is part of the promotion. So for example, these would be 3 products you would grab. Your total will be $14.97. We do have a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin Essentials and a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty Essentials. So you'll be left to pay $12.97 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying all 3, making them $9.97 for all 3 products. This week, Walgreens storage baggies select ones, the smaller boxes, are on promotion for buy 1, get 2 free. So you mix and match or grab the 3 of the same for just $2.79. So for soda deals this week, Coke products are on promotion for buy 2, get 1 free. So you'll mix and match between Coke and Sprite and all those for $23.98, or Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Sunkist. They are 3 for $15.99, or all the way down there, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Starry, they're buy 2, get 2 free, so they're the better deal. So you'll grab 4 of them for $23.98. Alright guys, these are everything I'm grabbing. This is slightly over $50. That's insane. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went fine, I believe. Everything came off. So I grabbed everything in the cart. I believe I showed you. I'm losing my losing my voice in a couple spots. So like I said, and for all you people that might be like, oh, you shouldn't go out if you're sick. I am sick with basically from the weather. My body can't handle these drastic weather changes, and we went from extreme heat advisory to like I almost need a jacket today, and my body can't adjust that fast, so I get sick every time. So it's not like something anyone could catch unless they caught it like themselves, basically. Anyway, so I grabbed the Colgate, the Charmin, the Bounty, the Garnier Fructis, and the Dove. So those are the promotions I did. I did have, plus me coming, I had 3 registry rewards that were expiring today. One was a $10 one, and then the other 2 were $5 ones. So me missing out on $20 is a lot of money. So that's not something I would have done. If it was maybe $1 or 2, I could have looked the other way. But for this kind of money, I mean, yeah, it's only Walgreens money until I use it, but still. Anyway, for digital coupons, we have a $5 one, probably for the Colgate. We have another $5 probably for the Dove. I just want to make sure. Yes, okay. Then we have $3.50, which I don't know what that could be for. Duh. So the $3.50 that I just said, I don't know what it could be for. Febreze. I totally forgot I was grabbing the Febreze small spaces. Or the bathrooms, whatever you want to call them. Then we have the $3, which was for the Garnier. Then we have the $1 digital coupons, each one for the Bounty, one for the Charmin. So it made my subtotal $18.43. I did earn the $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $50. I did submit to Fetch. I'm tracking towards a Colgate promotion. It's spend 17, get whatever. So definitely check for your account. Then for register rewards, I did receive the $3 for the Bounty, or the Bounty Charmin deal, which barely gives me a week to use it. I did get the $4 for the Garnier, I believe. No, $4 is for something. I can't. It's for something. I got the $3 for. Now it's gonna bother me until I look. Oh, it's for the Colgate. $4 for the Colgate. $3 is for the Garnier. And last but not least, $8 for the Dove. So every coupon came off that I can figure out. And then I did get all my rewards back this week. So, yay. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. And I will see you next time.